How to set up Microsoft Authenticator. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Microsoft Authenticator. Now, tap on the Get button or the download icon for the download to begin. Once downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch the app. You will firstly be required to sign yourself in to Microsoft Authenticator. So go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is, your email address and password. Once logged in, tap on the scan icon on the bottom right of your screen. Tap on that and you will get two options, that is, to scan a QR code for the code or to enter code manually. Select the option that suits your preference the best. I will scan a QR code since I have the code. So once scanned, as you can see the code is generated, I will go ahead and enter the code further in the respective field. So this is how you can set up Microsoft Authenticator. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.